Alright guys, since my Uncle Pa showed me how to do this, I'm going to add 2 more posts and spread my knowledge with people who just might need it. So all you're going to need to set a post like this is your post. You have to dig your hole. You need your concrete. You need a bucket of water. And you need something to tamp it down with. Now, I'm going to make sure this is about, for me, 16 inches down, okay? I got a lot of digging to do. 16 inches, because that's going to be below my freeze line. Find your freeze line. Now, for your measuring, you've got that amount that's in the ground, right? I've got that right there. Now, you have to figure out how tall you want your post to be. My posts are 6.5 feet. This is 6.5 feet from that line. So 6.5 feet is going to stick out of the ground. Cut her there. Do the same for your other posts. Not you, buddy. Final check. Final check. We're good. And you gotta write your name in it. You know that. Now I just have to do this one. And we got 6 posts. It worked. Thank you, Uncle Paws, for teaching me how.